So good morning once again. So ito na po yung agency na or recruiter dito sa UK na kung saan pwede kayo mag-apply online kahit saang mundo ka man ngayon or whatever your nationality is. You can apply online here in this recruitment agency here in UK with no placement fee. So yung recruiter pala dito sa UK, ang pangalan niya is 68 people. 68 people starting a recruitment. So, nasa Manchester siya. Greater Manchester yung sa agency. Saan nyo yan makikita? Actually guys, punta kayo sa go to LinkedIn account. Sa LinkedIn. Punta kayo doon. I-search under search. I-type nyo yung 68 people. Hindi yung number ha. Type by word. 68 people. Then, dyan makikita nyo ang recruitment na agency na yan. Wala silang placement fee. There's no placement fee na ina-ask nila. Mag-apply kayo dyan online. Mag-submit kayo ng application nyo online. Ibisitahin nyo yung page nila or yung account nila sa LinkedIn because you don't need to pay any fees or any placement coming here to UK. And they give the recruiter or I mean the employer pala, they will give you sponsorship visa or COS, certificate of sponsorship, na kung saan pwede na kayo maka-apply ng visa. Yan, 68 people. May mga hiring sila na mga chefs, mga managers. Yan, punta lang kayo sa LinkedIn account nila guys. You know, 68 people. Tapos click nyo yung jobs. Ayan, maraming hiring. Makikita nyo rin dyan. You can see also the salary offer, how much they offer. So, mostly, it's above 30,000 pounds. Tapos dyan, no, easy apply. Just click that link, easy apply. Ayan, napakadali. It's easy to apply coming here to UK. Check their LinkedIn. Guys, check mo sa LinkedIn. Actually, dyan din ako nag-apply sa LinkedIn. Sana ma-select kayo ng agency na yan. Napakapalad niyo pag ma-select kayo as long as may mga related experience kayo. Mag-apply kayo dyan sa LinkedIn. Thank you.